I mean, wig wear. What? Do you see this hair? It is gorgeous. Everyone, miss me? I'm sure you did. If you are new, thank you so much for watching. My name is Lizette. Welcome to our channel. And in this video, we are going to be talking about a new unit that I got from Unice. They are a hair company and they have so many good units for you all to check out. They did send me this hair for review, so thank you so much, Unice, for reaching out to me and sending me this unit for review. It is a frontal unit. I will put all the details for this unit in the description box down below, so make sure you check it out and let me know what you think. Keep in mind, this is my first time doing a frontal, so I will get better with time, but I had so much fun doing it and I absolutely love this hair. It is gorgeous, but see for yourself and stay tuned. Okay, so let's start off this video. I'm just going to leave my little ring on, take my other ring off because this is my first time doing a frontal, an actual wig. So this wig, as I mentioned, it is the Unice Hair 5x5 HD lace closure wig. It's human hair. It is 180% density, 16 inch. It's also pre-plucked. It has a transparent lace closure. So here is how the packaging looks. The box was so cute, the box that it came in. I love how it was packaged. Packaging is very important for me, especially if I'm getting something from a company sent to me for review. So I always take that into account. I absolutely love the packaging. It is so cute. And it comes with a few things. I'm gonna lay everything out right here so you can all see how it looks. So for the wig itself, it has 2 combs on the side, 1 in the back. It also has, as was mentioned, a transparent lace. It's a closure wig. And it has a attachment in the back so that you can secure the wig. So now let me put it on. I already have put down my hair as flat as I could possibly get it, because if you have thick hair or you have medium length or long hair, it's kind of hard to get your hair as flat as possible, which is like so annoying and so time consuming. But I put my hair as flat as I possibly could. If you see the lace up front, first of all, this hair feels so soft, so soft, and it looks super pretty and very natural. It doesn't look too shiny. You know how curly hair sometimes can look too shiny? It doesn't look too shiny, which I love. I'm gonna see how it looks when it's wet, obviously, because right now I took it out, it's dry, but I'm gonna see how it looks wet, and I am going to see how to do the lace. This is my first time doing a lace wig, so yay for me. But it's fun. So I've watched plenty of videos. I've watched creators like Trendy Kay. I absolutely love her videos and how she goes in depth and shows how to lay down the wig and how to wear the wig. So I absolutely love that. So let me show you how it looks up close. Here's how the wig looks up close. I will link everything in the description box down below in case you are interested in purchasing this wig. Check out Unice's website. They have so many pretty units for the hair. They have wigs, they have headband wigs, they have frontals, they have so many different collections. They have so many different kinds of units, and I'm pretty sure you'll find something that you like. And now let me show you how we are going to put this on. Okay, so let me put it on first and see how I'm gonna get this on. Oh my goodness, I had to put like 10 bobby pins in my hair. Ooh, it looks so pretty and it feels so soft. I'm gonna wet it when I'm done just to see how it looks wet. Let me see. I'm measuring it first on my head to see, you know, how it's going to look, how far down I want it. Looks so pretty. Let's see. I think here should be fine. So when I start laying it down, the wig is transparent. I'm gonna put some foundation on this wig cap first, just so it can blend even more with my own skin tone and look even more natural. Okay, so I put some foundation on the front here, just so you can see that's where the wig is gonna be. And I also push the wig back a little bit, just so it can line up with my actual hairline. And now let's lay it down. Oh, that looks much better. I'm just securing the back. So I'll probably speed most of this video up because it might get too repetitive after a while. So now let me pull some of this hair out of my face so I can start working on the front. This would be a cute hairstyle, right? Like once I wet it and stuff, just like this. Let me know in the comment section down below, what do you think? Okay, now, I know I have to take off my foundation for the front because I'm gonna be working with this, so don't worry y'all, I'll put my makeup on again when I'm done. And then you need a clean hairline when you're doing this. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do is lay down the sides. And I also have my blow dryer here. Now when I use my blow dryer, I'm gonna like mute that part out. I'm gonna take the sound out because it's very loud. It comes with pre-plucked baby hairs in the front, but I'm trying to get those out the way so that I could lay this down and then work on the baby hairs later on. Let's pull these out the way now. I pulled the actual wig cap back a little because it's like in my way. Oh my god, I didn't think it was gonna lay down, you guys. It laid down. I don't know, do you cut the lace before you lay down the wig or do you cut the lace after you lay down the wig? And I know I gotta like lift it up a bit, cut off some of this lace. So let me do that while it's still lifting on. Trying not to cut like the baby hairs. down too heavily because this is my first time. So let me see. Oh, this looks pretty. I'm gonna do these baby hairs and then I'm going to make it look more natural, like I have a natural hairline. And then I'm gonna be right back. And now I'm going to tie the front up and then I'll show you how it looks once I untie it. Baby hairs and everything. Leave it like this for a bit so it can all melt together. In the meantime, in between time, I am going to finish up putting on my foundation right here where I rubbed off. And let's see how the baby hairs look and how the hair looks once this is laid. I will be right back. Now that the baby hairs are down, putting some foundation on the front to help blend it. Blend the wig in my hairline. I'm not gonna put it down all the way because I have other wig reviews to do, but let me take it out and show you how it all looks. This hair is so soft, so incredibly soft. The baby hairs are very, very natural and realistic. But I want to see how it looks wet. So hold on, I'm gonna go wet it and be right back. Oh my goodness, I love it wet. Look at this. It's so pretty. So pretty. So this side is wet and this side isn't. Do you guys see the difference in the length? Like, look. So now I'm gonna go wet this side and come right back. That's it. I'm absolutely in love with this hair. Look at how it looks wet. Like, I just put a bunch of conditioner in it. I just put my head in the sink and then just put a bunch of conditioner in it once I took out some of the excess water because I was just dripping everywhere, and the conditioner helps to weigh hair down. And look, like, this pattern is like unreal. I'm gonna show you guys how it looks up close right now. And look at this pattern. Look at the pattern on this hair. Like, it's just absolutely stunning. Look. Now the other side. It's just so soft and so pretty. Be mindful with curly hair that the more you touch it, the more frizzier that it might get. So try not to touch it too much once you've completely styled it. Oh my God, I'm obsessed with this unit and with this hair. I am just in love. It is so soft. It is so soft and so silky. And it looks so real. This hair is so realistic. Of course, since this is my first time doing a frontal, I'm gonna get better at it, no doubt, with more practice, but I absolutely love this hair. Again, I will link everything in the description box down below. Make sure you check it out, and let's wrap up the video. I love this hair. I know I said it multiple times throughout the video. It is so soft and silky and smooth, and if you get this wig, I know you are absolutely going to love it. It is the best. There's minimal shedding because, you know, with curly hair and when you're rinsing it or putting conditioner or anything in it, there is going to be slight shedding, but it's not bad, and I absolutely love how it feels. You can also finger comb it, which I usually do with curls anyway. I finger comb them and it is so soft and smooth, and I absolutely love it. You can wear so many different hairstyles with this hair. I'm sure, like, I'll put it up and, you know, maybe do like half up, half down. There are so many possibilities, which I absolutely love. It's completely versatile. Remember to check out the description link down below. That is where the link to this hair is, as well as check out Unice. They have so many different units that I'm sure you are going to love. I will link everything down below, so make sure you check out my description box. Thanks so much again for spending time with me. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Again, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. It helps me out a lot and I really do appreciate it. If you want to look and feel beautiful, know about the latest fashion trends, keep up with the beauty community news, me as well as my brand, the Lux Princess, then make sure you click that red subscribe button and click the bell notification to be notified of when I upload. I upload Wednesdays and Sundays, and will give an additional video throughout the week as necessary. Thank you all so much again. I will check you out very soon. Bye guys.